Hello everybody, my name is Morgan Meggs. I'm with Lexus of Jacksonville in the technology department, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up and use the Bluetooth in your Lexus. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video.
Alright, let's press the menu button highlighted in red, and then using the trackpad area highlighted in blue, we'll select setup in the infotainment screen. Once we're in this screen, let's go ahead and swipe to the left to bring open that side menu, and then we'll select Bluetooth. And we'll select yes on this prompt to continue to Bluetooth pairing. Moving along to our phone setting menu, we're going to select Bluetooth and then scroll all the way down to select the vehicle that you'd like to pair with. Selecting allow on this prompt will ensure that all of your contacts transfer into the vehicle's Bluetooth system. Under the sun. Now, to have your messages show up in your car's center infotainment screen, we'll press the blue eye next to the vehicle you're connected with and then turn on show notifications. And here we've got the option to assign certain devices to specific functions in the car's Bluetooth system. For an example, setting an iPod as a preferred audio player and an iPhone as a preferred phone. Your vehicle's hands-free controls, highlighted in yellow, are compatible with your Bluetooth connected device as seen in these examples.
Call Dad.
Calling.
Send message to Dad.
Do you want to send a text message to the home number for that?
Yes.
Send rich quick reply to that. See next page for more items.
Thanks.
Send a reply thanks to that.
Yes.
Sending the message.
Using Bluetooth, you're also able to play audio through your compatible connected device by pressing menu, selecting audio in your car's infotainment screen, selecting source, and then finally selecting Bluetooth. Your compatible Bluetooth music player can also be controlled by your steering wheel's audio controls, highlighted here in green.
Alright everybody, that's going to conclude today's video on setting up and using the Bluetooth systems in your Lexus. Thanks for watching. Oh hey there, you got any questions, comments, or concerns? Let us know.